In this video, we will go through the process of removing the front panel of the OP415 Polarity Analyzer to access the conversion cables. These cables can be swapped out to adjust the source and detector ports for testing different channel counts, up to 24. Here, we'll be swapping the 24 channel cables for 12 channel cables. To begin, use a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws on the front panel. Gently tug on the bulkheads to remove the front panel and let the panel rest in front of the unit. This entire process can and should be done without opening any other part of the unit. Here, we will provide an alternate view to show what goes on inside the unit. First, disconnect the cable from the front panel and, if possible, coil the cable around your fingers to more easily access the back connector. Once the back connector is disconnected, remove the cable from the unit. Repeat this process for the second cable. Before inserting the new cables, coil them around your fingers so that the connector going into the front panel is to the right, lying key down, while the back connector is to the left and key up. This will help account for the offset in the bulkheads. To insert the new cable, start by connecting the back end to the bulkhead inside the unit and maneuvering the cable into place. Place a hand on top of the unit to keep it steady as needed. Once the cable is settled in, connect the other end to the front panel, and do the same for the second cable. When coiling the cables and settling them into place, it's important to be mindful of their bend radius limit. This limit varies by design and determines how tightly wound a cable can be before it's compromised. Before placing the front panel back on the unit, make sure that the cables are not being excessively bent. Secure the front panel to the unit and you are all set for testing at the new channel count.